Hey guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick and easy glam look that takes like literally 5 minutes, and I'm only using 3 different products, so I figured I'd put this out for you guys. It's on my Facebook channel, so I thought I'd put it on my YouTube channel too. I'm using the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm using the color Sculpt. You can use any color that's like the same color as your skin tone. I'm just putting this all over my lid just to kind of have like a blank canvas for the other colors that we use. And I'm using my favorite artistry brush. It's just a fluffy blending brush. Any fluffy brush will do. Doesn't have to be this brush. Next, I'm going in with the color Mass, which is about 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone. And I'm using another fluffy brush, and I'm just putting that into my crease and just kind of blending it out. You don't want to take it up too high. But just blend it out so it's nice and like airbrushed and kind of blown out. Next, I'm taking the Stila liquid eye glitters. You guys have seen me use this before, and I'm just putting this on my finger and dabbing it onto my lid to make it nice and pretty and glittery. And guys, this is like pretty much the whole entire look. So I added eyeliner and falsies and mascara just to complete it, because you guys know that I'm extra and I like me some falsies and a cat eye and stuff. Yeah, but that's it. You can just go with falsies or just mascara if that's not your personal style, but you'll see in the next clip right here how it turned out. So yeah, this was super easy, and like I know that I sped it up and stuff, but it literally took like 5 minutes. So anyway, hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!